guys, welcome to another video. So we've had a parcel arrive from Melodysusie. Wait until you see these guys. Well excited to show you these. So Melodysusie's brought a new gel polish range out. So they've upgraded their old formula, they've upgraded their old packaging, they've upgraded the brushes in the bottles. Wait until you see the new packaging. Look at these. Guys, look at those. Wait until you see these bottles. So they all come cellophane wrapped. So I'm just going to remove all the wrap and then we'll take a proper look at them. Right, so they are all unwrapped, guys. This is the new packaging. Even just the boxes are beautiful, aren't they? Look at the hollow on that. So we've got Melodysusie's contact details there, if anyone wants those. We've also got directions here. So these gels cure for 1 minute in an LED light and 2 minutes in a UV light. We've got the ingredients there. Anyone wants those? Let's get these open and have a look at them, shall we? So inside the box looks like this. Guys, look at these. Look at these bottles. Wow. That is gorgeous. So these are massive 15ml bottles. They are huge big bottles. Again, you got your directions on the back. You got your ingredients on the back as well. You've got a true colour match in the label with the name. So the name of this one is called Tiramisu, colour number 431. So we'll take a look at that and see if it is a true colour match once we get it swatched, because I am going to swatch them today. Guys, please ignore the state of my nails. I'm in the process of doing them. I was in the process of taking these ones off. Once I cut them down, I really like the shape of them, so I'm now debating whether to do an infill and a redesign on them, because I really like the shape of them now I've cut them down. Right, so I'm going to get these all unboxed, and then we're going to get them swatched, and we shall see what they're like. So I chose 3 colours, Tiramisu, the white and the black. I always think when you're trying a new brand of gel polish, you always need to try the black and the white. They're the most important colours. And if they can do a good job of black and white, then there's a good chance the rest of the colours are going to be really good as well. I've also got a no wipe shiny top coat. So I can't wait to see how glossy that is. So I'm just going to get some swatch sticks out and we'll get swatching. So the first one we're going to swatch is Tiramisu. Oh yeah, that looks like a really good colour match to the label as well. Now, while I'm swatching these, I'm just going to tell you a little bit about them. These gels, like I said earlier, they're an upgraded formula. They're made with natural ingredients. They're low odour, providing you prep your nails properly, providing you apply a flawless application. Your mani should last at least 21 days. Oh, wow, guys. These feel beautiful. Oh, wow. Look at the pigment on those. I have tried the old formula Melodysusie gel polishes, and I found them really pigmented anyway. But these are just on another level. Look at that colour as well. My kind of face colour that is. Love that. So I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. Oh, I'm dying to see what. That is a beautiful bright white, that is. They are quite thick, but my room is really, really cold today. Coverage is just unreal. They've also put new brushes in the bottles as well. which provide flawless application. Oh, they just self-level beautifully. Wow, look at that white. That is a pure bright white and there's nothing coming through. Let me show you, look. And that is on a clear swatch stick, guys. Nothing is showing through that white. Wow. Give that a cure. So this one is Black Abyss. Oh, wow. And again, super, super pigmented. With black, you've got to be so careful. You apply that too thick or the formula's too pigmented, there's a chance of it wrinkling in the lamp. So make sure you don't apply that too thick. I mean, oh wow. Guys, I'm actually going to say it, like, these feel like one of the nicest gel polishes I've ever used in all my life. I'm not going to lie. Look at that. Pure black. Let me show you white behind it. Again, on a clear swatch stick. Wow. Right, I'm curious now to see what this is going to be like curing in the lamp. Let's have a look, shall we? Hopefully, there's no wrinkling. And look at that. Not one bit of wrinkling. Flawless. Right, let's have a look at the top coat quickly, shall we? It's got no smell to it. So it's a medium viscosity. It's not too thick. It's not too thin. It feels like a really nice top coat. It's also anti-yellowing. Feels really, really nice. I really like the brush as well. The brush is ultra soft. Beautiful. There we are, guys. That is all the swatches. Guys, look how glossy that top coat is. That is like glass. Absolutely beautiful. That white is super crisp white. The black is ultra black. I really like the Tiramisu colour. It's my kind of base colour. I really like that. Melodysusie have gone above and beyond with upgrading that formula, let me tell you. And when I say they felt really nice to apply, they felt really nice to apply. God, I just can't get over how pigmented they are. They're so pigmented. In fact, we're going to see how pigmented they are because I'm going to be doing some nail art with them now. So, I'm going to get set up. I think I'm going to use my practice hand today. I've not had her out for a little while. And we're going to get a little design done. So I'm going to get set up and then I'll pop back in once we're ready to go. Right, guys, so we're all set up and we're ready to rock and roll. You'll see that I've already buffed my tips. I would normally go in with a base coat, but I haven't got the Melodysusie base coat and I'm working on tips anyway, so yeah. If I was doing this design on my nails, then obviously I would apply a base coat first. But because we're just working on tips today, I've just given them a little buff. Just gives that gel polish something to grab onto. So the first colour we're going to use is the Tiramisu. And I'm going to give the pointer finger, the middle finger and the ring finger a coat of that. I'll just show you me doing this one now, guys. Then I'll do the other two off camera just to save time. Look at that. It just glides on effortlessly, guys. Now we're using Black Abyss. I'm going to do a full coat of that on the pinky nail. Now I'm popping a little bit of that Black Abyss on my palette, and I'm going to paint a French tip on this middle nail. Guys, look how opaque that is. These are great to use for nail art, you know. I'm liking it. Now we're going to pop some of the white on my palette. Sorry guys, I didn't realise my camera had stopped recording. So what I'm doing on this ring fingernail, and I'm also going to do it on the pointer fingernail as well, you'll see I've painted like a squiggly French tip. That's the best way to explain it. Then I'm going to fill all that in. Then I'll give that one a cure. I'll only show you me doing the one nail, guys, because both nails are going to be exactly the same. They're just going to be a slightly different shape, that's all. So I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds, and now I'm going in with a black stripe, same as what I've done on that ring fingernail. Right guys, you'll see I've changed that ring fingernail because I didn't like the first one that I did. So I've just redone that one off camera. Now we're going to make a gold glitter gel, because I haven't got a Melodysusie gold glitter gel, so I'm going to make one. So I'm going to add a little bit of the Melodysusie top coat to my palette. And into that top coat I'm going to add some of this fine gold glitter. Probably not that much, but hey ho. That was a little bit way too much, I think. Right, I've given that a good mix up. Firstly, I want to paint a gold free edge, just leaving a black band. Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do, but now when I'm with you. Right, so that's all fully cured. Now, just want to add a couple of little bits of gold glitter here. Right guys, these are all ready for some top coat now, and a couple of crystals. So, to start with, I'm going to give them a top coat. So we're going to use the Melodysusie top coat. Now, I did want these to be matte, guys, but I haven't got the Melodysusie matte top coat. In fact, I don't think they've got a matte top coat in this range yet. Whether they will do or not eventually, I'm not sure. But I didn't see a matte top coat when I chose the colours, so obviously you guys know if I just saw a matte, I would have gone for the matte and not the shiny. Being a matte lover. And that is the nails all done, guys. What do you think? I'm not that keen. They're not how I wanted them to turn out. They're alright, but they're just not how I wanted them to turn out. You'll see as well that I've added some crystals off camera, and I also went in with a matte top coat over the black bits, thinking I probably should have done that pinky nail in matte as well, you know, just to match the other black bits. I don't know, I might matte the pinky nail out for my Instagram pictures. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, what do you guys think? I tell you what though, guys, these gel polishes are amazing for nail art. They're so pigmented. I really, really enjoyed using them. So these are available on the Melodysusie website right now. I will leave the link for them in my description box. I've also got a 12% off discount code for Melodysusie as well, guys, which is Gina12. I'll pin that in my comments along with the link to the Melodysusie website. I want to say a massive thank you to Melodysusie for sending these out. Thank you so much. And I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.